Hey, good morning, guys. I'm gonna end up doing warm-up number 18 answer. I do have a dog on my lap because this guy is terrified of thunder. So instead of babysitting kids today, I get to babysit dogs and yeah, pretty much cuddle with him all day. Um, I'm gonna end up working through the answer real quick. I know some of you guys can't see him, but yeah, there you go. It's a super good angle of you. Oh, oh, yeah, great. All right, well, I'm gonna work through this answer real quick. Oh my God, Winston, you can't climb on the desk, buddy. All right. All right. I don't know what he wants. All right. I'm going to try to work through this answer real quick. Warm up number 18 answer. Looking at it, it says, what is the interquartile range for the following data set? To find the interquartile range, which you should be watching the videos, it will go over all of this with you guys. It's interquartile range. So it's going to end up being IQR, okay? IQR, and that's going to end up equaling quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Okay, so the first key thing that we had to end up doing was rewriting the data in order from least to greatest. Okay, and that's all I ended up doing. So it started with 1 and I ended on 9. Do you want to get down, or I don't know what you want, buddy? I started with 1, ended with 9. And going from there, I need to end up finding the median, which is the middle number of each quartile. Okay, so I'm going to end up finding the quartiles of quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. The middle number, so if I look at it, quartile 1 is going to be in the first half, quartile 2 is going to be right in the middle, and quartile 3 is going to be on this end, on the last part. All right. Well, I'm going to count and see how many numbers I have. If it's odd or even, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if it's 11, that means I have a middle number, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to be my sixth term. So this middle number right here is going to be quartile 2. This first half is quartile 1. All right. And the last half is going to be quartile 3. So it's broken down into 3 sections. That's a Q. Now with quartile 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers here. My middle one is going to end up being the number 3. And same for quartile 3 over here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my middle number is 7. And with the formula that I wrote out down here, it is going to be quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So all it is 7 minus 3. That's how I would solve this problem. It's going to end up being 7 minus 3, which will end up being 4. So my answer down here, my final answer will be 4. All right. Final answer is going to end up being 4. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are surviving, not going crazy. Make sure to brush your teeth. That is something that I usually forget in the morning. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Keep up the great work. Here's one more view of this giant pansy dog. All right. Yeah, I know. This is my life, guys. Yep. Winston, there you are. I know you can be a big YouTube movie star, right? I know you're terrified. All right. I'll see you guys later. Keep up the great work. Message me, email me if you have any questions at all. If you're watching the video, it's great. These are problems I'm taking right off the Test Yourself assessment. So they're kind of freebie answers if you come across them. Communicate with me, guys. I'm being very easygoing, very laid back about turning in late work, trying to complete things. You just got to message me. Let me know.